Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this particular video we are going to discuss about budget gaming PC builds for 2023. Are you looking for an inexpensive gaming computer that can easily handle your favorite games? Below you will find 6 different budget gaming PCs that will serve you well into 2023. In this day and age of incredible graphics and extremely demanding video games, you as a PC gamer must have a capable system if you want to play your favorite games in the way they were designed to be played. And although some console gamers might tell you that PC gaming is too expensive to get into, the reality is that even if you are working with a time budget, you can build a cheap gaming PC that can deliver excellent performance at 1080 pixel resolution in most gaming games. And if you are willing to spend between 700 to 800, you can even get a VR ready gaming PC that is capable of utilizing an Oculus Rift or HTC Vive headset. In this guide, I have given you 6 different cheap PC builds that you can use as is or that you can use as a base to put together your own part list. These are not the best gaming PCs you can build, but for the price, their performance is incredible, and for me, and for the most part, the majority of them will offer a better PC gaming experience than consoles will. In the end, you will have a plan of action as well as a number of different components to choose between, and you will be well on your way to building the PC best gaming PC for your budget. For each option, you will also find a link to a comparable pre-built gaming PC. So if you do not want to build your own system, you can check out a pre-built gaming PC for a similar price. Question to ask before you build your budget PC. If you are on the fence of whether or not you should build your own cheap gaming PC or you have questions, we have provided a list of frequently asked questions below to help you find the answers you are looking for. Our top picks for the best cheap gaming PCs. In this section, I have taken 6 different price points: 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, and $800, and I have put together budget friendly gaming PC builds for each budget. These builds can either be used as is or they can serve as a base that you can customize to your linking. I have also linked to a comparable pre-built gaming PC for each price range. So, in our list on number one is a powerful $800 gaming PC. What if I told you that for $800 you could build a computer that could serve as a solid 1080 pixel or 1440 pixel PC gaming machine or that could support the Oculus Rift? Thanks for watching this video. Hope this video will be helpful for you.